crew, welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, where the local time here is 7:35. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to leave your seats, please be careful, especially when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved, could fall and cause injury to someone. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you do have all your personal belongings with you, and mind your step as you make your way to the terminal building. If you do need any assistance once you have left the aircraft, please ask any of our ground staff. We'll be happy to help you. Alternatively, feel free to contact one of our One World Alliance partners. For those passengers who are ending their journey at London Heathrow, please follow the signs for arrivals and baggage reclaim. If you are connecting onto another British Airways flight and hold a transfer wallet with a boarding card, you need to follow the signs for flight connections. From all of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It has been our pleasure looking after you on this flight, and we do hope to welcome you aboard again very soon. Thank you and good morning.